Hey, it's Nicole from Let Nicole Help, and in this video I want to show you some of my almost initial reactions to Flodesk Studio. So I say almost initial because I did have a chance to sit down in the partner call a couple of weeks ago while they were kind of getting ready to launch Studio, and I remember just being wide-eyed and loving some of the designs here. So first of all, I gotta tell you that it is free in beta, so get in there and give it a try because it's really fun. And then also, I loved hearing that it wasn't just like, talk to AI, AI is going to generate the design for you. So they've actually trained the AI with real human designers, and those real human designers have made all these incredible new templates. You thought Flodesk had lots of cool layouts before. Wait until you get in there and see what's available now. So here's a preview on my screen right now, in fact, over here of what it looks like inside, and I'll go ahead and just log in. And so similar type of prompting here that you might use with other AIs, right? But let me just click on one chat example that I had been working on. So you can start to see some of the awesome new layouts. Like this one has more of a shadow than I think it did previously. Video down here, and one of my favorite things, actually, seems small, but I love that I can actually take this sticker and move it around and drag it wherever I want. And then there's all these other shapes of stickers and things. Here is like a card layout where there's all these different, looks that you can give the card as well, the shadow, holder, different effects over here. So just like so many more ways that you can customize. Look at all these shapes here. That one is so cool, and different layouts here. So I mean, it's almost overwhelming, honestly, how many new designs they have, and it's just so cool. So, and actually I should back up for a second because we were kind of going back and forth, and it gave me like 3 to start with, and I just clicked on one and started adding and adding. But that was cool too. So like even from the get-go, we kind of talked about, okay, what is it I'm looking for? And then it gave me 3 kind of ideas. So I hope you come in and check this out. Like I said, it's free in beta, and they want your feedback. So give it a try. And then one thing that is also important to know and that I'm excited to do is, okay, export, and you can send it, of course, right to regular Flodesk if you're already a user. But what I'm also really excited about is that I can take the HTML of what I've built here in Studio and take it to another email platform. For my SaaS products, I am using a different email platform at this point, so I am excited to take what Flodesk can give me from Studio and put it into those other platforms because I don't like the design as much over there. So get in here, give it a try. I think you're gonna love playing around with it because there's a lot of new designs and stickers and cards and layouts that can just really make it your brand all the way. So thanks for checking it out.